Now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 7.2, and in this question it is given to you, in the HCl molecules the separation between nuclei of two atoms is about 1.27 angstrom and 1 angstrom value is given 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Find the approximate location of center of mass of molecule given that a chlorine atom is about 35.5 times as massive as hydrogen atom. Okay, so question is given to you here. Listen carefully. Let's suppose I am talking about, let's suppose here we have, this is hydrogen molecule, clear? Let's suppose this is H plus, and let's suppose I am saying this is chlorine atom, clear? This is Cl minus, clear? Now in this question it is given mass of this chlorine. So let's suppose I am assuming mass of a hydrogen ion, that is M. So we can say this is 35.5 times of M. This is given in a question, clear? And separation distance is also given 1.27 angstrom, clear? This separation distance is given to you, clear? Now our objective here is to find position of a center of mass, clear? So how can we find? We can directly apply here formula axiom, clear? So for that one, let's suppose I am assuming this hydrogen atom as a origin, clear? And let's suppose I am assuming this direction as positive x direction, clear? And let's suppose definitely we know, let's suppose this is x1 comma y1, clear? And here we have this is x2 comma y2, clear? So definitely on x axis we have y coordinate 0, and I can say this is let's suppose initially I am taking x2 and this is 0, clear? So now I can find here value axiom. Axiom is given by m1 x1 plus m2 x2, and it is divided by, I can say, m1 plus m2, clear? So m1 x1 plus m2 x2 upon m1 plus m2. Now we can say value of x1 we have 0, clear? So directly I can say this is 35.5 m, clear? And it is multiplied with x2. X2 means we can say here we have, first I am writing x2 divided by, I can say this is 35.5 plus 1 and multiplied with m, clear? Because we have m1 m, this is 35.5 m, so total we can say 36.1, clear? So now we can say this is 35.5 m divided by, I can say 36.5 m, clear? And multiply x2. x2 is given to you 1.27 angstrom, 1.27 angstrom, clear? So we can say this one and this one is cancelled out, clear to you? So now we can say what is the value of axiom we are getting. So if you calculate here 35.5 divided by 36.5, so approximately you can say here we will get value near about 0.9, clear? Or 0.9 point something, clear? Because this is 35.5, this is 36.5, so approximately we are getting near about 9, 0.9, clear? So if we multiply 0.9 with 1.27 angstrom, we can get position of center of mass from origin, clear? So if you calculate, you will find here this is equal to 1.23 angstrom, clear? If you calculate, you will definitely get here value 1.23 angstrom. It means we can say here this is position of a center of mass we are getting, and we are getting position of a center of mass from this hydrogen atom. This is given 1.23 angstrom, clear? And let's suppose if question is asked to you what is position of center of mass from chlorine atom, at that time you can say this is 0.04 angstrom, clear to everyone? So this is all about this question.